Okay, this is the TIE Bomber. Let's do a little bit of opening and a speed build. Hi guys, Ralph here. This is the TIE Bomber Lego Star Wars 75347. Did a quick unboxing of this, and we're going to do that quick one now as well anyway. What you get is obviously instructions and 4 part bags, as simple as that. Now, I'm going to go through a build on this. This will be one of those daft silly ones where the whole build takes probably 2 minutes or 3 minutes or something at fast forward speed, but I can't do it in here. I need more space, so I have to go into the house, onto the table in there, and then we can do a model build on there. So quick cut now to inside the house. So, TIE Fighter is now built. We have the fighter, we have the spares, and the rest of the figures. So let me get the box out of the way for you. So here we go. This is quite a nice little. It is quite small, but I think it's absolutely perfectly to scale to me be the UCS Millennium Falcon. I mean, the wings, there's one bugbear I have with Lego, with this sort of stuff. It's repetitive. This wing, exactly the same as that wing, exactly the same as that wing. So there's a certain let's just double up. Same with the X-Wings, same with other things. It's the weirdest thing. I mean, I assume that maybe they fold up to land to make it wider. No, that'd be even worse. But yeah, there's a lot of play features on here. Your cockpit slides up. For some reason, watch this. It just opens on its own. So that might be just because that's just a little bit too new. Eventually it will go. We have stud shooters there and there. We have the green studs in here meant to be for this. Why there's a yellow one in there? I don't know. Or another red one. So we have, I think that's meant to be a landing leg. Oh, it's just come off. So just need to figure out where it went back on again. But it was always there. Unless it's a sensor. Was always a bit not sure exactly why that was on, because this was actually in The Empire Strikes Back as it was bombing the asteroid field, and then almost to the mouth of the worm thing that was there. So we've also got some bombs in here. So all you do, there's no much play feature on this. There's no press the button on the front. The bombs are underneath right there. So you just basically push out, get myself out of the way, and just bomb away. You had a good shot. So yeah, you've also got the loading vehicle, which Admiral Sloane has. I don't know why you'd have an admiral putting away the yeah, it's a bit odd sort of pairing. You've got an admiral there, and she's moving rockets into a TIE bomber. You've also got the Gonk droid, Imperial Gonk droid there. Very nice indeed. You've also got the TIE pilot, which I need to put him inside, and we have, for no reason at all, Lord Vader. And I was actually impressed with this one when it was being built, because top of the helmet comes off, the neck piece is there, and I've actually got, for no reason, a spare neck piece, chin piece, should we say, but it's inside. And I was a bit weirded about because most of these are double-sided. Angry Vader before he's turned to the back. I was like, whoa, what's he done there? But that's the scarring on his head anyway. But yeah, you can put that together and you got a fully sealed in Darth Vader. Very cool, with a cape, getting a bit dirty, but yes, cool. I think I've got, yeah, with another one, we have got the white Vader as well with the Falcon, but you double up on stuff anyway all the time. I'm certain of it. So yeah, it's just a little bit of a speeder craft, just to slow, moves across. So playability, yeah, pretty good. So that goes there. Or does it go the other way? Don't know. Doesn't care, doesn't matter. They're all in place anyway. It's a little tiny extra little play vehicle. They used to do them when I had the this is when I was a kid. There was a space station, and you had the base plate, which got what was it? It was a rocket, but they had the craters around the side. But they had this little mini buggy, moon buggy as well. So they did make more play features into it instead of being a static model. Putting these back in again is flip around, push them in, and it just frictions in place, and then you've got one there popping up. So all four will go back in there quite easily. Probably best putting them in bit, and then bit. So push them in place. Nope, that's gone in the wrong hole. There we go. Will only fit 4. There's no cover on there, but they hold in place anyway. It's a nice little cockpit inside. You've got a couple of bits in there. I'm going to get rid of his gun, because it doesn't need a gun, and it doesn't need a helmet as well. The thing about these ones as well, got an angry face, but it's got no reverse face on there, which is a bit odd. So, well, I suppose you're not going to be a happy TIE fighter. Everybody knows that the TIE fighter or TIE bomber pilot is just like that anyway. So he will go in like so. Okay, cool. There's no parts on there that makes him stick in place, so no foot pieces. You could probably, I think his helmet is actually too big for there to actually bring him up and then down onto it. So then, door closes, guns on the front. That thing there, like I said, I don't know if it's a landing leg or whether it's a sensor leg or whether or not it's some sort of sight. No idea. It was always there, never really explained to me. I don't know. They're not meant to bend. Well, they are in the kit, but they're never really meant to bend unless that was the entire idea of making 2. I don't know. but it's not bad. These are printed on parts, no stickers with this, which is easy, so you haven't got to worry about the thing being in the right place or not. So yeah, not a bad build at all. But like I say, it's repetitive, but when you've got something with 2 4-wings, they are going to be like that. And it sits quite nicely on its own, doing nothing. So yeah, like I said, spare pieces. I don't know why there's a couple of those spare pieces. It just seems a little bit, there's a blank as well. But these are exactly as it's meant to be. So these will go in my parts bin, that'll go on the shelf, and that is a pretty cool build. I mean, for the price of that, I don't think that's bad at all. I think it's for about 40 odd, £45, which would work about $55 or something. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And it really looks quite good. I've seen some TIE fighters that I'm planning on buying, and they look so bad. It's terrible. That's little engines on the back. I suppose if you want to make them green. No, that'd be silly. Yeah, I'm not showing you the stud shooters because I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna lose one of these pieces. You basically just put one in sideways, it clicks in place, and then you shoot it. There you go, one in place there, and I'm gonna shoot you. We nearly got back in the box as well, but it is a good play feature. It's something that you can shoot at, although that was the main thing of the TIE Bomber. So anyway, enough of me waffling. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon to help me out. Consider being a YouTube member. Helps the channel out no end. Helps me out to do more content like this. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.